again, Liz Tan, and we're here to show you how to get that beach summer look with a natural looking and less makeup. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so achieving the summer beach no makeup look, we'll use as less products as possible, and we're gonna skip the eye makeup kasi I usually don't go out without eyeliner at all. But the thing is, every time I go to the beach or to the pool, I usually put all kinds of waterproof eye makeup and it always fails me, so we're gonna skip that part. The first thing I usually apply is a tinted sunscreen, whatever brand that suits your face most. So for me, I got this Sun Glow by Fresh, and it's in medium color because I'm not really that fair and I usually go to the beach, so hindi ako, usually get tanned a lot. So I put this and cover, of course, my eye bags, my very obvious eye bags, especially when I go to the beach and you just want to have fun, you'll get more eye bags. No, I don't put concealer when I'm on the beach kasi nga we're going for natural. So yes, I am proud of my whatever flaws, pimples, freckles, or whatever flaws I have. I mean, we're at the beach, guys, so matatanggal din yan when you swim or when you do water activities. Your makeup will eventually take off, so I prefer that. The more natural it is, the less products we use. And this tinted sunscreen has SPF 50 and PA4+. I forgot to tell you pala, before putting on my tinted sunscreen, I also put on a regular sunscreen, preferably matte, and yung hindi ganun ka-slidey or very slimy, so that it does not affect your whatever makeup you're gonna put. So, and then I let it dry for like a couple of not really a couple of minutes, but around 5 to 15 minutes, and then after that I applied this one. I applied my tinted sunscreen, or if you don't, or if you think that redundant na since you already applied your sunscreen that you trust, then you can just put on whatever light foundation you have. So this is it. This is me. Normally at this point I put on my eyeliner, but now that I have my, how do you call this again? Now that I have my extension lashes from my lash salon, I'm gonna put the link down below where I got it. I don't put eye makeup anymore, and I think it's actually much easier for me to like have fun swimming and on the beach because I don't have to constantly look at the mirror to see if my eyebrows are smudged again, or to be conscious when people are looking at me, because most of the time they look at me because my eyeliner is smudged here na, or it's like I'm crying, or I have eye bags or pandas because of it. So because of this, I don't wear eyeliner anymore. So for the eyebrow, I tried the Maybelline tattoo, and I also tried another tattoo eyebrow. It's not really that effective, so I gave up on it, and I prefer gel. It stays a lot longer, and it doesn't give you the pencil look na eyebrow, which is actually good for the natural summer beach look that we are attempting. Kasi parang lang siyang hair lang. So that's it, and just let it stay. So we're going with the natural eyebrow, and the last thing that I put on is my blush. You look straight, and then kung saan yung eyeball mo, yun na yung there. And then you put a little here. The more blush you put, it's fine. Don't be scared about it. You can put it here. Ganun nyo lang. You know, if you have excess product in your hand or on your cheek, just do this. Like you get the drunken sunbird look. And then kung hindi pa siya ganun ka-obvious, like you want more product for the pictures and all, or you want a more distinct blush parang you're out in the sun for too long, then put one. It's fine. Like, super chill. Nakainom ako. Sunburned look. Yeah, so that's it. And of course, we're gonna go with our lipstick. So, yes, nag-lipstick ako because I look really pale, and I've seen that when I take pictures or stories or the vlog, I don't put any lipstick. I look really pale, and it seems like may sakit ako. So I usually put lipstick. So what lipstick do I normally use? I usually use a tint, actually. Very... have you heard of this product? It's actually matagal na nga product, and I have it in every color possible, and I don't use the orange one. So every time that I go to the beach, I make sure that I use this one kasi sayang naman yung product. I bought it and I haven't used it because it looks too much on a daily basis and it looks too much sa office. So yung chance ko lang is the beach. So here, medyo orangey. I usually do just one coat. I know you think that it's too much, but for me, I really like myself having colors in my lips, especially for photos on Instagram before going to the pool. And then, eto nga, because I use this tint, it's actually very waterproof. So, kahit nasa pool ako, kahit I eat or drink shake or do whatever, andito pa rin siya. I don't have to keep retouching because when I go kasi on the beach, I usually don't want to carry stuff or like retouch a lot. So, yun, it's actually favorable for me. Let's try adding more to get that. Parang feeling ko kulang, you know. The thing is, you don't have to be scared on putting that much blush on your face when you're in the beach. Kasi the moment that you go on water, it will disappear. So, do this and this. Here, you got a makeup look already. This is our beach look, our summer beach look, and it never failed me so far. I never heard people saying I look like a clown and all. I really love it. I also love the fact that you don't have to put eyeliner and mascara. I don't have to worry about it constantly. So this is my look. And of course, let's not forget that if we go to the beach, we always want to take photos before we get wet. And if you have been following my vlog, you know that I have my mermaid curls, which I love so much. So perfect to have those beach waves that we all want but not permanently have. So the first thing I do is put hairspray. Shit. I put hairspray. Why do I put hairspray? Girl, we're at the beach. Magka-curl ka pa ng hair mo. Wala pang 5 minutes. You go there at the shore with the wind. Wala na, straight na yung hair mo. Well, at least you get around 5 to 10 minutes of having nice hair for the photos before going to the water, diba? So a lot of people say, bakit ka magka-curl ng hair when it's gonna be wet? Dude, photos. This is the easiest curler for short hair and for people who live alone or curl their hair alone, walang nag-a-assist. Nandun sa likod, you just have to get a bunch of hair and then clamp it. That's all that you gotta do. So easy and convenient for those, you know, doing their hairstyle alone. Lovely the curl is. I mean, the waves are. Hindi siya yung parang glamour curl that you see on parlors or at occasions. This is really perfect for the beach. And tingnan mo how convenient it is. Sometimes I don't have to hold or touch my hair. It was to avoid being burnt. Yan siya. That's it. And that's it. This is us. This is us with our beach summer look. Do you like it? So yung ending, the last part I put is a setting spray. Why do I put setting spray? Kasi, well, let's preserve the makeup as much as possible. If naka 1, 2, 3 times you dunk your hair in the water, at least it takes a little parang na-purple lang pa niya yung makeup mo as much as possible. And of course, due to the mask that we wear before going to the pool, most of the foundation, the lipstick, and the blush on goes to the mask. The setting spray from Alana Mineral actually helps, and it lessens more like parang 10% na lang yung nata-transfer sa mask, which is actually a lot better kasi sayang naman yung pinaghirapan mo, right? So yes, this is our summer beach look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. It's very simple, very mabilis. All you have to have is a tinted sunscreen. If you don't have a tinted sunscreen, then you can opt for a sunscreen and then your foundation, liquid foundation most preferably. And then if you don't have a tint, which is, you know, a lip and cheek tint, which one product for two faces, you can do what I did, which is a liquid blush and a waterproof lip tint, and of course my gel eyebrow. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I appreciate that you've actually reached this part of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share my video. And I'm gonna see you